How are this man? What's him put me in a ring like some name wrestler? I'm to them people, ya doggy. Eh? I don't want this them put round my neck to me look like chef too, no? Yo, take me out of this man. Licking, you know. Yo, take me out of this man, what I'm doing. Yo, baby, you know, say about 3 weeks now we are play a date, you know. I'm going to tell you something, you know, I really feel. Hey, how you do? How you talk about self? Hey, girl, move something out of my face, you know. Yo, move something there. You know, say you're a side chick, you can't take no picture of me too, you know. Hey, girl, move that something. You know, say big man I try to profess him love for you. And you there talk about you want to take selfie. Yo, selfie me dirty nappy, yeah, man. Yo, move that something there, man. Chop. You want disrespect. God have mercy, one next one with a camera. How make them people you love? Yo, dad, move it. Let me come out of this guy. If me sit up. Oh, Father up above, I pray that this man just move out of my face with this camera. I'm going to turn around in 1, 2, 3, and then move out of my way. Sure. Yeah, man, sir. Yeah, and then Bugs Bunny, and it, but wait, yo, hey, what, yo, who this? Yo, daddy, you know, see one brother in a mirror copy me. Watch out, boy, good doing, you know? You mean sink? The boy I move, I do everything me I do, daddy. He copy me. Let me try to take off the car. I'm gonna lick him with this. I make you copy me for boy. Watch ya. 1, 2, 3. Watch him good. I'm moving fingers. Yo, daddy, tell him to move now. Man, I know, you know. Let me just a pestilence in my life now, daddy. Tell him to move. I get real irate. When we lick me, I kung fu chop him, you know. Just like watch ya. Boy, move, you know. You lucky say me can't pull off that. Yeah, you know. Would I lick him? Yo, where the belt, the daddy? Where the belt? The reach for your belt, no? Eh? Hey, over there. No, you know, there. Which part? I could have sworn me leave the belt round there saying, I come on, lick him with something, you know, daddy. I'm box him, you know. What you mean? Watch him. Yeah.